Hello, V Morales here, and today we're making some puffy stickers to go along with the mini album. Start off with the button press, set aside the cutting die. For this project, I'm using Life of the Party paper collection along with the stickers. Cut a piece of paper large enough to fit the die cut. Also, add a sticker, place the sheet on the bottom platform. Next, place the die cut on top of the paper and press. Next, peel the center liner from the puffy sticker and adhere the foam. Then peel the outer liner. Then place the puffy sticker foam side up into the base, followed by the paper and cap. Finally, place the combined base cap onto the cutting platform and press the handle. Next, I'm adding some cardstock to the back of the puffy sticker using the Bazzil cardstock in pink. You would want to follow the prior steps taken to make your puffy sticker. I'm adding the die cut back to the base. Remove the back liner of the puffy sticker and add it to your base. Add the cap, insert it to the machine, and press. The puffy sticker is ready to add to a micro mini album. Let's go ahead and do that. All the measurements required for this project will be listed in the description below. A great tip is using the back of the paper pad as chipboard. Add some sticky tape to the back of the cover as well as the chipboard. Remove the backing of the sticky tape. Add all 3 chipboard pieces centered to the cover sheet. Let's go ahead and line this cover. Add some sticky tape to the chipboard piece, followed by cutting all 4 corners, leaving a 1/8 of an inch gap on each corner. A helpful tip for this is to pencil in 1/8 of an inch for each corner. So here's what it looks like. Here I'm removing the red liner from the adhesive tape. I'm folding over all of the edges down. Here I'm using my bone folder to tuck in all of the corner edges, like so. If you'd like, at this step, you can add some more double-sided red sticky tape to the edges. Here I'm removing the last of the double-sided sticky tape, and it should look like so. I'm going to add the liner to the back. I'm also adding some sticky tape to that liner as well. A helpful tip is you can score the inner spine there for a better fold. My cover is all ready to decorate and add pages to. So here I have 3 sheets. They're all scored and cut. I will have all of that in the description below. So I've already stitched my pages together. Time to decorate the front cover of this micro mini album. I'm using some puffy stickers from the collection. I'm adding 2 hearts, one to the top left corner and the bottom right corner. So I'm also using the cardstock stickers from the collection. I'm using the balloon. I also added some stitching to my cover as well in pink. And so here I'm adding the balloon sticker and cutting it to fit to size. So now I'm all set to add my puffy sticker to the top of my mini album. But first I would like to add a sentiment. And if you go back to the paper pad, you will find on the spine there are pieces that you can use for sentiments, and that's what I did here. So here I glued the cover and back liner to the micro mini album. Now I'm adding the pages to the inside. I did use some sticky tape and some hot glue, and I also remember I used some stitching there. Here I'm using the Crop-a-Dile to add an eyelet. Feed some string through the eyelet and tie a knot. I'm using some sticky thumb for the foam. I'm adding some foam to the back of my foam sticker. And lastly, I added some paper tassels to the spine of this micro mini album. Be sure to decorate the pages as desired. This concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next time.